How cool would it be to have the best of both worlds, Arizona and California, all packaged into one luxury, amazing home? If that sounds cool to you and you want to have your cake and eat it too, I'm about to show you an amazing desert home that when you walk in, it feels like LA luxury, and I cannot wait to show you this. Let's go check it out. All right, inside this amazing Toll Brothers floor plan is the things that you love about Arizona, the indoor, outdoor living, the big sliding doors. But what else you have is something you can't buy straight from the new builder. You've got style, you've got class. It's like a piece of art, right? Everything from top to bottom is already done for you. And the amount of upgrades, you just can't get this from a builder. From the countertops, the kitchen, the design features, it is so cohesive. This is a house for somebody who wants everything done for them. It's pretty, it's clean. When you come in, you buy this house, the next day you can have a housewarming party and your guests are gonna walk in and think, oh my gosh, this is an amazing, stunning home from inside out. That's what you feel when you walk in the house. This is exactly why this is probably the best home for sale right now in Estrella Mountain Ranch. This is a stunning home. All right, and here's what I really love. You step from LA designer swaggy right into Arizona, perfect weather, pool, sunshine 365 days of the year. I mean, you just can't beat this combination. Again, the house is done for you, the yard is done for you. What else do you want? This is truly a one-of-a-kind home. Like, this is it. This is the home on the west side. Now, if you like this home and you want to schedule a private tour, you know what to do. Call, text, DM me, reach out, and I'll schedule a tour for you. And remember, there's nothing to it when you work with Prewitt.